out and about already. Oh, there's a magpie there. That was a crow that flew by. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Okay, I gotta lock up. There they go. Bye, guys. And that same one is still there. Well, I'm sure someone will come to me at some point. Are you coming? Hey, you. Oh. Any of you want to stop? Where are we going? Hey! There they go. Oh, there's a car coming. I don't know where they went. Somewhere in the tree. Oh. Hey there. Okay. Car's trying to pass me. Trying to stick to the side here. Branches. There's a crow. Where are you going? Well, this is a spot, one of the spots we meet. So, I'm here. Okay. Hey, you got a friend back there somewhere. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Open that little door. There we go. Whoop, car behind me. Okay. There you go. Where's it? Oh, there you are. The other one. Okay, I left you a treat. You gonna go get that? Yay. Okay. I'm sure a few friends are gonna follow. You should join them. It was a good pile. Oh. Hey, you. Okay, I'll bring you your own pile. Good morning. How are you? Okay, there we go. One for you. There we go. Hey. Old friend came over. I'll see you later. I gotta go to work. The car driving by was watching the whole time. They could see what I was doing. I have little friends. Well, I gotta get out of here. No chickens this morning. Oh, saw a sparrow. Yeah, they're sleeping in. I think it's a bit chillier today than it was yesterday. Oh. Hey, you. Oh, I was checking out our sparrow friends. They had lined up here. I thought maybe they wanted a treat. But this is good timing. Here we go. Decent pile because we got a bunch of little friends. Alright, I'll see you later. Go on. Well, I gotta get going. Bye-bye. Yep, better hurry. Little ones are getting it. Oop. Trying to put my treats away here. Yeah, I gotta get going. Well, I can leave a treat over here. What was the second one? Oh! Okay. Yeah, I gotta leave a treat now. Now that we've got a crowd. There. Yeah, a little more. There we go. I gotta go. Alright, I gotta go. Okay, well, we're at the stump, and there's a crow just chilling here. And I hear a few behind me. Sounds like 2 or 3. I don't know if they're gonna come. But we'll leave this guy a treat, and whoever else shows up, maybe some starlings. That's a big one. Yeah, I hear them. Or I did. I gotta go. Let's switch spots. Oh. Are you coming? Hi. I left you a treat. At the stump. There you are. I gotta get going. Yeah. I hear the starlings nearby. They're probably going to join. Alright. That was a success. And they got a nice big snack there. so. Oh, hi. You talking to me? Oh, where can I put your treat? I was almost at the Safeway. It's just over there. Another one over there. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here. I hope you see this. Here. Little treat for you. Say bye. Oh, did you see that? I'm right next to the Cornerstone Pizza, so it smells really strongly of pizza. It smells so good right here. Well, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go get Mom some cookies and stuff. Maybe that one saw it. I think they're gonna get it. It's looking good. Okay. Right here's the Cornerstone. They make pretty good pizza. My boss once got it for me on my birthday. Oh, here comes someone. Hi there. I saw ya. Same spot as yesterday, huh? Okay. Well, let's find a good spot. I don't want to get squished by the cars. Maybe I could put it right here. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's your friend. Yeah, it's over here. What he said. There you are. Go join them. I left a nice pile. Well, I gotta get going. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. I'll bet you're the same two from yesterday. Is that Lucy? Hi, Lucy. How you doing, pupper? I got some crow friends waiting. There's you and several more in the tree over there. Hey there. You need a treat, huh? Okay. Here. Put it here. There we go. There's a good pile. Okay. Go ahead. There's another one coming. Hey. I left treats. Did you see it? Oh, it's looking. I think you spotted it. Alright, well, there's three right over here. Alright. Oh, someone's went overhead. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys later. They might follow. They often do. There's a bunch of sparrows in the party bush. And I see the chickens are out. My crow friends are watching from the trees. They gotta come down here. Yeah, I see all 4 of them. Yeah, all the chickens. Oh. They just flew by me. Hey there. I got treats for you. And your friends behind me if they want. Oh. Hi there. Yeah, they're just making sure I see them. Here we are. Okay, we'll leave a good pile because there's at least 3 or 4. Yeah. All right. We're hungry today. Well, you're always up for a snack. I got the good stuff. Walking over there with 1 peanut. Someone making noise. Oh, there's one up there, I think. Oh, wait. No, that's just a branch. Well, they're around. I'll see you guys later.